Hello, guys. I am super happy staying on these walls of YouTube. Yes, this is not my very first video on this channel. I am a 3D animator, a video editor, a motion graphic artist, and a graphic designer. So I am super excited staying on this screen again. I just want to officially make another About Me video. But this time around, there's going to be a lot of generated questions that will make you know who I am. So without further delay, let us get right into the business of this video. Yes, please pardon me. I will be looking down on this camera because I have a system in my front that I've typed out some things about me, so I want it to come out the way I have written it down. Hope I'm permitted. Thank you. Yeah, I love that question. Who are you? I earlier introduced myself. I am a video editor, but I'm going to take the question this way into how I got into video editing and everything. So I got into video editing because I realized something very early, which is video can say in seconds what words struggle to explain in minutes. I wasn't always perfect at it. In fact, I'm still learning. Yes, I am still learning, but I enjoy the process of turning simple ideas into meaningful videos, which is why you can view me currently sitting before a camera and you have seen me. So please do the next question. Yeah, on this channel, I focus on video editing. Yes, creative storytelling and 3D animation. That is my best part. I focus so much on 3D. I love 3D animations. I will be sharing tutorials, editing ideas, and visual concepts that can help creators. Yes, it will help creators, it will help beginners, and anyone who wants their content to stand out. I'm getting tired already. Which one is what do I expect? What to expect? Anyway, yes, you will definitely expect a step-by-step editing tutorials. Yes, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my creative equipment, the app I use, and stuff like that. I'm also going to be taking you through storytelling with 3D animations. Yes, I'm going to show you how to create mind-blowing explainer videos and lots more. Yeah, I'm going to also show you practical tips you can actually use, whether you are editing with your smartphone or on your PC. Guys, there is no limitation to creativity. The more you create, the more you know, and the more you are at what you are creating. I know in this question you might want to jump to, yes, since I said I love 3D animations a lot, you might want to say, me, I love creating 3D animation, but no, that is not what takes my attention. What takes my attention is me creating videos that have meaning. Yes. I love creating videos that have meaning. Yes, videos that will engage my viewers and will teach them things. Yes, I am Raph Concept. That is my official brand name on all social media platforms: YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Yes, at Raph Concepts. And my motto is learn, earn, and teach others to earn more. So I love content or videos that have meaning, and anyone who loves creativity is my best friend. Yes, if I see that you are a creative thinker, then we can be friends. Yeah, my vision is plain to you. My vision is large. My vision is very, very large. Like, I don't think even the whole world can contain my vision, but I am trusting God that with time I will be establishing my vision one after the other before I leave this world. So my vision, all my goal is to grow. Yes, it is a growth is one thing that you should be doing every now and then so that you will achieve your goal. When you become stagnant, it becomes a problem. So my vision in this channel is to grow, and not only grow, but I want to improve. Yes, I will improve. Why? I will teach you, and you will learn from me, and I will also learn from you also. Not every time I'm going to be doing the talking. There are sometimes where you yourself is going to be teaching me what you know, because they say one cannot be, or how do I put that in English? One cannot be all-knowing. Yes, you cannot be all-knowing. Monopoly of knowledge. Yes, you teach me and I teach you, and we learn and we stay together. If all these questions that I've answered sounds like what you want, then quickly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because a lot is loading for this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for staying by, and I remain your top-notch video editor, and I'll see you in my subsequent videos. Bye.